Okay, this is a second attempt into getting the permissions for the products that we're adding into our app. Okay, right now our production app has these permissions, and we want to add the possibility to upload videos to TikTok, which was approved because the video was missing explicitly specifying why do we need each of the permissions. Now, this Marfil account uh, is using, sorry, this Marfil account, which is a test account, is using the sandbox, okay, which has the permissions that we need, and also it has these three target users, and I'm one of them. Marfil is an analytics platform for publishers. To start with, I will remind the flow to integrate TikTok with Marfil. We go into integration social and we enter TikTok. I see my integration here. I will delete it while disconnected, and I'll connect it again to do the flow. See, I can add account here. It guides me through TikTok's OAuth process. But as I already gave access previously, it doesn't request me again, and it's automatically connected. Now, uh, here I'm in the preview branch that I already submitted in the request. Now, uh, second, let me refresh so that my integration shows. Fine. Now, let's go one by one. To start with, user info basic, we need it for the basically display name and the avatar. The display name is shown here, and the avatar is shown, for instance, in many places. For instance, in here in the list of feeds where I will filter by TikTok. See, I access here through this icon here, which is Amplify. It's the new product of Marfil to manage the social networks. And here I can see that I have three feeds configured, and um, and we show the avatars if available for each of them. In this case, they're private accounts, so the avatar is not returned in the response. But when I'm going to, later, I will show you that we also use it elsewhere. Now, what else? The user info profile, we need it for the profile deep link. If we go into my feed, for instance, we offer this deep link to go into the profile view of TikTok. What else? The user stats we need it for the follower count, which we can track via Explore. For instance, I can place here the followers and filter by the talk. I group, move this, and I group by account. There's none because we don't have any followers in this test account. But if we switch to, let's say, global, for let's hope this was not, sorry, wrong global. No, wrong global again. I think it was this one that has connected. Yeah, exactly. For instance, they've got from 5.5 millions to almost 6 million. So good month for them. They increased a lot in terms of followers. This is very useful for our clients to be able to track the number of subscribers, followers. Sorry. Next, the video list. This is needed to extract the metrics from the different posts or videos that they upload into TikTok. For instance, we can also check here that we track the number of posts that they do every day, and this is also we have the number of plays and the number of likes and all the performance metrics that we can get from the API, so that our customers can track how are they doing in the different TikTok channels. that they own. And finally, the new permissions that we're requesting, which are the publish and the upload, which are needed to publish from within Marfil. Now I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna switch to the test account again to show this. I can go, for instance, in the main Marfil view, which is this one. For every article that is showing here, I have this icon of amplify, so that I can decide to amplify to a distribution channel such as TikTok. Here I can select a profile. I will select this one, which is my TikTok profile. Once I do, I can see that the my avatar is shown here. This is because this comes from the creator info uh, endpoint that you request its information to be used before, but to fill this screen here. I will also switch my visibility to only me because for now we're using sandbox and only this use case works. I can allow commenting and I can disclose that the content is branded or not. Once I do, it tells me it needs to be shown to everyone, so on. You can play with it. You will see that it complies with everything that you request in your sharing guidelines. But for now, what I'm going to do uh, is, sorry, and I need to add a video, of course. Let's add this one. And I'm going to select to publish now. I'm going to use a suggestion for my text. And that's it. Let's publish. I confirm the music usage. And that's about it. Then I can go again into my feed. Soon. And this last post is the one that was posted. It's private, so it's not accessible, but I can go into my profile and see that it was posted here just 35 seconds ago. So it's this one. It worked as expected. I hope I covered everything that we need for the review. I'll submit it now.